Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with TikTok Shop Seller Center for order payouts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the TikTok Shop Seller Center website. Log into your seller account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the settings option in the menu on the left side. Click on settings to access various account configurations. Next, locate the Payment Settings section. In the Payment Settings, you will find the option for Order Payouts. Select the Order Payout option to begin the authentication process. You may be prompted to enter additional security information. This could include a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Check your email or messages for the verification code. Enter the code in the provided field on the Seller Center page. Once the code is verified, you will have to link a bank account for payouts. Click on Link Bank Account to start linking your preferred bank. Fill in the necessary bank details, including account number and routing number. Make sure to verify that all information is entered accurately. After inputting your bank details, save the changes. Look for a confirmation message indicating successful linkage. If required, you might need to verify your bank account through a small trial deposit. Check your bank account for any trial deposits from TikTok. Once you receive the deposit, return to the Seller Center to confirm the amount. Enter the trial deposit amount in the verification field and submit it. Your bank account will now be fully authenticated for order payouts. You can now check the payout schedule and transaction history in your dashboard. Your account is set up for order payouts, making the process seamless going forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.